The MA ribbon-filled trading strategy is a combination of 3 custom forex indicators that are put together to give accurate trading signals. The strategy can be quickly and easily adopted by currency traders who are void of experience, as well as experienced traders. Chart setup. MetaTrader 4 indicators. MMR. X4. Default setting. MKNC_4. X4. Default setting. MA ribbon-filled.89.21.x4. Default setting. Preferred time frames. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. Recommended trading sessions. London/New York session for timeframes below 30 minutes, any session for timeframes above the 30 minutes. Currency pairs, any pair plus gold. Moving average ribbons are a series of moving averages, MA, of different lengths that are plotted on the same chart to create a ribbon-like indicator. Traders can determine the strength of a trend by looking at the distance between the moving averages, as well as identify key areas of support or resistance by looking at the price in relation to the ribbon. The ribbons can also be used to signal potential trend changes when the price moves through the ribbons, or the ribbons cross each other. What does a moving average ribbon tell you? Moving average ribbons are often made up of 6 to 8 moving averages of different lengths, although some traders may choose fewer or more. Traders often use a simple moving average ribbon that is set at 10-period intervals, such as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60-period moving averages. The interval doesn't need to be 10 periods, it could be 5, or 15, any other interval. The responsiveness of the indicator can be adjusted by changing the number of time periods used in the moving averages, or by changing the type of moving average from a simple moving average, SMA, to an exponential moving average, EMMA. The fewer the number of periods used to create the averages, the more sensitive the ribbon is to slight price changes. For example, a series of 5, 15, 25, 35, and 45 period moving averages will react quicker to short-term price changes than 150, 160, 170, 180 period moving averages. The latter would be favored by a longer-term investor who only wants to highlight major turning points in the asset. When the price is above the ribbon, or at least above most of the MAs, it helps confirm a rising price trend. MAs that are angled upwards also aid in confirming an uptrend. When the price is below the MAs, or at least most of them, and the MAs are angled downwards, it helps to confirm a falling price. Special considerations: traders can adjust the indicator so that it provides support and resistance areas. Alter the look-back periods of the MAs so that the bottom of the ribbon, for example, provided support to a rising price trend in the past. In the future, the ribbon may act as support again. The same concept applies to downtrends and resistance. When the ribbon is expanding, that helps confirm a strengthening trend. For example, during a strong price rise, the MAs will fan out as the shorter MAs pull away from the longer period MAs. When the ribbon contracts, that indicates the price has entered a consolidation or pullback phase. When the ribbons cross, that can indicate a potential trend change. Some traders may wait for all the ribbons to cross to confirm a price reversal, while others may only need to see a few of the MAs cross before taking action. Moving average ribbon example: the following chart shows an example of a moving average ribbon in the SPDR S&P 500 ETF, SPY. In the example above, you can identify bullish or bearish trends by looking at when the indicators start to cross over lower or higher, which changes their color from green to red and red to green, respectively, on this charting platform. The widening of the lines suggests that the trend strength is increasing, while narrowing lines suggest that the trend is losing its momentum. The ribbon may provide support and resistance at times, but not at others. Also, as indicated above, one time the middle of the ribbon may provide support, while the next time it is the top or bottom of the ribbon. When support is broken, and the price has moved through all the ribbons, this would usually be considered a trend reversal, especially if the MAs have crosses each other as well, but such moves don't always result in a price reversal. The pullback